Hello and welcome to this month's Heat-Line video blog. This month we're going to discuss connecting our Retro-Line Mini in-pipe heating cable system to PEX pipe. And the PEX pipe that we're going to focus on are the two that we most commonly hear our clients installing the Retro-Line Mini into. And that is a 1/2 inch PEX and a 3/4 inch PEX. Starting with the 3/4 inch PEX, this is actually one of the more simple installations to be done with the Retro-Line Mini because Heat-Line conveniently provides the Retro-Line Mini in a T option we refer to as CTS. And with the CTS compression style T, connecting the PEX pipe could not be more simple than simply loosening off the adapter nut, making sure the end of your PEX is cut flush, inserting it until it bottoms out, tightening the fitting hand tight, and then giving it a 1/4 turn with a wrench. Installing the Retro-Line Mini with a 1/2 inch PEX requires a couple more steps, but also proves to be quite simple. Heat-Line offers unique accessories to go with the Retro-Line Mini when we're installing a 1/2 inch PEX because regrettably, we don't offer a 1/2 inch CTS specific T. So accessories you can purchase from Heat-Line or that you can locate locally include a 1/2 inch female Sketch 80 PVC T and 2 John Guest ProLock male adapter fittings. And the reason that we go to the John Guest ProLock fittings is 1, they're non-metallic, so we don't have to worry about any sharp edges. And 2, there's no internal indexing collar that may disrupt the installation of the Retro-Line Mini end seal. Once you have these components, the installation becomes more direct. You're simply threading the ProLock fittings into your PVC T. Obviously, you're going to be using proper thread sealant and ensuring they're torqued down to the specified amount to prevent leaks. Once you've had your T made in this arrangement, which you'll see in essence is 90 degree to water as we refer, meaning the water is passing through in a 90, which has to be done in a 1/2 inch CTS because the end seal fitting on the heating cable will not make that abrupt turn through the T. So it's a 90 degree water install and we begin by threading the heating cable straight through the T to complete the install. Once we have the heating cable pushed in through the T fitting, we want to make sure that we disengage the compression nut on the top of the Retro-Line Mini 1/2 inch male adapter fitting. Because if we attempt to tighten this into the T with the nut engaged, it's going to cause the heating cable in the T and in the pipe to twist. And we don't want that twisting motion. So we disengage the compression nut on the top, which will allow us to neatly thread in the body of the male IP adapter. Once that body is completely threaded in, we can go ahead and re-engage the compression nut on the top of the male adapter fitting. And as we're tightening that, we want to ensure the same thing. We do not want to see the heating cable making a twisting motion. We're tightening down the compression seal, but not twisting the cable. Once that's complete, as you can see here, you have a T arrangement set up to connect directly to 1/2 inch PEX. And with the simplicity of the John Guest ProLock fittings, all you need to do is push the 1/2 inch PEX in, snaps into place, and turn the fitting counterclockwise to lock. We hope you found this video blog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video blog monthly. Be sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, or following us on other social media. Thanks for watching.